Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to do a banana bread. Did you know that banana bread is one of the most cooked recipes in Hokkaido? I don't know why. I discovered that last year. I have never made a banana bread and I started doing it and oh my gosh, I love it. So let's make it together, okay? I chose it already in the app and because I put it for this week, I can come here to my week and it's right here waiting for me. It says start cooking. Let's do it. It's gonna be really fast and easy, okay? So preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. I already did that. Let's keep moving. Next, grease a loaf pan and here we got it. I greased it already. Now we have 2 ounces of unsalted butter and it had to be softened to room temperature. So let's put it in and you see how we have the scale there. Well, I'm hoping this is 2 ounces because I'm not gonna go and get more. So let's see where we're at, 1.9. It's good enough. Next, we're going to go to 14 ounces of bananas into pieces and they have to be ripe bananas, okay? So these ones were ripe and then I froze them. If I was not supposed to do that, please put it in the comments. I'm all ears, okay? But in the meantime, we're gonna use these ones and yes, they were ripe and they're ready to be cooked. 6 to 7 ounces of brown sugar. Okay, because you have different recipes of banana bread. This is the one that is with the brown sugar. When I have a range, I go in the middle. So I'll just aim for 6.5, okay? Let's see where I go. 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. Let's leave it at that. Now we have 2 large eggs. 2 large eggs. You like the sound effects? Now we have 3 ounces of plain yogurt. Let's start throwing. There we go. 3 ounces, perfect. 2 TSP of vanilla extract. Are you counting the time that it's taking me to do this? It's nothing, right? I'm just throwing things in there, following the instructions. Yep. And then we're going to insert the measuring cup. We're gonna cover 10 seconds, no temperature, and speed 4. All right, let's go. Speed 4, 10 seconds. 8 ounces of flour. Flour's very light, so I gotta be careful. 8! All right, and then what do we have now? 1 TSP of baking soda. We are going to be done. 1 TSP of baking soda. And then half TSP of salt. Okay, half. Okay, so we're gonna cover it again, and we're going to mix again at speed 4. Another 10 seconds. It's calling us. Scrape down the sides. Okay, so we're going to scrape down the sides. It just wants us to bring all the goodies to the bottom. And now we're going to cover it one last time. And it's gonna be a mixer one more time. And done! Transfer batter to prepared loaf pan. So you see, today it was only a mixer and the instructions for an amazing recipe. Going to transfer this to the pan. And if you have seen my sensor video, then you will see the next instructions. So you can see how I'm going to put this in the oven and the sensor is going to tell us when we're ready. You see? And now I'm going to do a pre-wash on the Thermomix, so it's gonna clean itself, and then I'll have to rinse it obviously because it's a pre-wash, but hey, it's going to be very helpful because you see how it looks? Okay, so you see the batter that we have here? I don't wanna tilt it too much, but I hope that you can see it. And once it's cooked, let's see what we will need to do, okay? We're going to cool it in a pan for 10 minutes, so we will leave it there for 10 minutes, and then we're going to serve warm or allow to cool completely, then wrap in foil until ready to serve. I don't think I'm gonna wait that long. I'm gonna eat it right away. Let's go to the kitchen, let's do all of that in the oven, and then I'll come back here and I'll show you the result. Thank you. Using the base holder, like this, and now I'm going to click send. And it's working. Now I can put the batter in the oven, leave the charger close to it, check my phone, yes, it's linked, so I can walk away. What I was doing, the kitchen smells amazing. Well, let's see. Careful, when you remove the sensor, it's hot. Let it rest somewhere. I'm going to let the cake rest for a bit as well.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we are. We finished the banana bread. I actually took the picture just now, the cover, and I was doing like banana bread. Get it? Get it? Anyway, I am so excited because I'm gonna start eating it. I wish you were here. Oh, I always say that. So let's cut it. It smells amazing. I mean, this concept of bread and banana is crazy to me. Like, I never knew about it and it's so good. So let's cut it right now and let's see how it is. I guess that you're gonna have to trust me and see how much I like it. Look at this. It is so good. So soft and so fluffy, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be amazing. If you want to make your own banana bread, if you want to make a lot of other recipes, which you can go to my YouTube channel and check many recipes that I'm doing, tutorials, testimonials. I have a lot of videos that you can watch and enjoy in YouTube, okay? But anyway, this one finishes now. Banana bread made by Thermomix. If you need a Thermomix in your life, you know who to call. Yes, I cannot put my phone number here, but I can put my email and then we'll be talking, okay? So here's my email, thedummycook@gmail.com. So send me an email, let's get in contact and tell me all about it. Tell me about your cooking needs and let's brainstorm together, all right? So here's the email, don't forget. Email me now. Oh my God. Honey, this is amazing. I gotta show it to my husband. Bye.